Hello gang, SharpShot21 here. Hopefully this has done what it's supposed to, and we'll find out. Is the mic auto-paired with the camera? Been a while since I've been in black. Alright. So it looks like I was correct with the assessment that the truck needs a head gasket, but hopefully I will be able to find out shortly. Picking up a combustion gas tester, but I scoped the camera, or I scoped a couple of the cylinders, and it definitely looks like there was some steam cleaning going on. Not a lot, and no coolant in the cylinders at the time, so I'm gonna take that as a bit of a win, because I really do not want to have to do some cylinder repair on this thing either, or pull the block out. That hopefully, fingers crossed, is not gonna happen, or need to happen. We'll find out once we start the disassembly, which, given what the weather looks like for the next couple of weeks here, is not going to happen. I think I've got one day where it's not raining in the next 2 weeks, or snowing. So we shall see how that goes moving forward. I have a sneaky suspicion I'm not going to start on the truck until March, mid-March, that is, like sometime around St. Paddy's Day. It shouldn't take me too long to get it apart. It looks pretty straightforward. My biggest concern is the headers off of the downpipes, but now with torches, I should be able to make that happen and not have to worry about breaking off bolts. We'll see what happens on that front though. Time will tell. We'll find out. If I've got some cracked heads, I'm going to inspect the heads before I bring them to an engine shop. But if I've got some cracked heads, then it will be new heads, or at least refurb heads. There's plenty of junkyards around. I don't know if it'll be worth it or not to have them pull some heads. So much I want to put in terms of engine work on this thing, because I want to do the TDI swap on it at some point. I really kind of didn't want to do that now, especially because I want to get an older TDI engine and totally go through and rebuild that, so that it's basically brand new and had an overhaul. We'll see what happens. I am willing to do the cost analysis there, but it's also going to cost at a minimum, $1,000 for the adapters. We'll have to figure out how the vacuum modulator is going to work for the transmission that's in there. The Ford ECM will control most of that. The VW ECM will control the engine. It's gonna situations. But for the moment, it'll still probably be worth it to rebuild that OHV engine that's in there. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. Time will tell. We will get updates as I get updates for you. They're going to come a little out of sync. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.